If your BMW 7 Series has a fuel system problem that seems hard to pin down, this is one to watch. Have you noticed rough running, hesitation, or a warning light? And stay with me until the end, because I'll also cover what this repair could cost. BMW issued Service Information Bulletin 120625 for the G70 7 Series sedan. G70 is the current 7 Series generation, covering the 2023 model year and newer. The problem comes down to the electrical connector for the Bank 1 high-pressure fuel pump. BMW says that connector may not have been locked correctly. That kind of issue can make a luxury car feel unpredictable fast. A driver might notice the car does not feel quite right, and the first guess could be bad fuel, a failing pump, or some much bigger engine problem. What BMW found is much more specific. The concern centers on the connector at the high-pressure pump, not a major internal engine failure. The repair itself is straightforward. The technician removes the acoustic cover, checks the connector at the Bank 1 high-pressure pump, locks it properly if needed, and then puts everything back together. This applies to some current generation G70 7 Series cars, including familiar models like the 740i, 740i xDrive, 750e xDrive, and 760i xDrive, with final eligibility determined by VIN. There is one detail here that stands out. BMW's repair coding references G70 S68T, and the S68 is BMW's 4.4-litre V8, the engine family used in the 760i xDrive. So if you drive a V8 G70, this is especially worth checking on. Even if the car seems mostly normal, a fuel pump connector issue is not something you want to ignore. BMW did not attach specific trouble codes to this bulletin. That means some owners could run into drivability concerns before anyone points directly at a fuel pump connector. That is also why this kind of problem can be frustrating. The symptoms can feel bigger than the actual repair, especially when the words high-pressure fuel pump make it sound like a major parts bill is coming. The labor time gives a better idea of what this really looks like in the shop. BMW lists 3 FRU when this is handled during other work, or 5 FRU if the car comes in just for this service action. That suggests a short inspection and correction job when nothing else is damaged. In many cases, this is likely more about securing the connector properly than replacing a major fuel system component. For a rough 2026 repair estimate, an independent shop could land around $100 to $180, while a dealership may be closer to $180 to $320, depending on minimum labor charges and whether extra diagnosis is added. If the connector or nearby wiring is damaged, the total could go higher. But if this is just the connector needing to be locked correctly, the cost is likely far lower than what most people fear when they hear fuel pump problem. So the big takeaway is simple. If you own a 2023 present BMW G70 7 Series, it is worth having your VIN checked to see whether this service action applies to your car. Have you seen this issue on your G70, or has your dealer already handled it? Drop your experience in the comments, and if this helped, like the video, subscribe, and come back for more BMW issue breakdowns.